All right, so empirical formula. Protocol is grams of each, mole ratio. We're given a percent composition. If we assume that we have exactly 100 grams of the compound, these percentages are converted to grams. Now that we know how many grams of each element we have, we can determine the moles of each by dividing each by its atomic weight. Super obvious to me what the mole ratio is, so I'm going to divide each of these numbers by the least number of moles. This gets us to a 1 to 1 1/3 to 1 ratio. To get to a whole number ratio, we multiply each of these subscripts by 3. So we get C3H4O3.